Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Hyper-V installed, VM generation chosen, and the USB device connected to the host. Once done, enable Enhanced Session Mode and VM Connect so you can use redirected resources. You do this because Hyper-V does not pass through most USB devices directly. Session redirection gives access to drives, printers, and smart cards. Now open Hyper-V Manager, select the VM, and prepare a checkpoint before making changes so you can revert if needed. Next, configure access inside the running VM. Connect with VM Connect using Enhanced Session, then choose Local Resources More and select the drives and devices to redirect. For USB storage, map host folders or create and attach a VHD/X so the VM sees the file system natively. For devices like serial adapters or cameras that fail to redirect reliably, use USB over IP or a supported third-party pass-through tool because they bridge the host-to-guest gap at the driver level. To finish, install the appropriate drivers inside the VM and verify the redirected device appears in Device Manager, then test file access or device functionality. If something goes wrong, safely eject on the host, reshare the device, and reconnect the enhanced session. Make sure firewall rules and USB over IP settings allow traffic. One key troubleshooting tip: if the device repeatedly disconnects, try attaching via a VHD or use a proven USB over IP solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.